Hi, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys the house that we bought. Where it's located is very nice area, but inside the house is it needs a lot of work. We need to renovate the whole inside of the house, but we're thinking that we start with the bathroom. So I want to show you guys the main bathroom, how it looks like. So as you enter, you see here the vinyl carpet floor, which needs to be changed. And at the moment, I can smell really bad inside. It's really stinky. The sink, it has double top, which is for some people they like this double top, but for me it's not my style. So we probably change this into mixer top, and they remove the tiles around there, which is look really terrible. So we probably need to tiles everywhere. The walls as well is they painted it pink. For some people they love pink, but for me it's not my style. And as you can see, there is the old vent, so that needs to be changed as well. And the whole wall is painted pink, as I said earlier, so this whole wall needs to be changed and probably put tiles in. On my right side is the old bath. They removed the tiles here as well, and the bath itself is really dirty. As you can see, that one is really old, and there's no shower here. So the tap as well is mixer, is a double tap, sorry, so we need to change that as well. We need to update it into mixer tap, so when you shower it's very convenient. So yeah, where it is now is we probably need to change the location, especially on that side where you can see the toilet, um, toilet here. So yeah, so this is the toilet here. As soon as you open the door, you see the toilet in front you, which is, I think, is in a bad position. So we're thinking to move that. And as of now, it's really smelly. At the back of the toilet, as you can see there, guys, I think they did DIY here. They just covered the pipe with wood. So all those things you see there, we probably remove it and repipe it in a nice way. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really excited, how it will be in the future after we change everything. It's a lot of work, I know, but I'm really really excited how it look like. So I'll be showing you guys how it looks like after we finish renovating. So this is the door, and let's see what's inside. So now this is the bathroom after we have renovated. I love it so much. As you can see, there's a lot of storage in it, and here's the coolest thing I love, because this is actually a heated mirror. So after you finish showering, there's no moist in it, which is, I totally love it. And yeah, it's very nice. And this one is the bidet. Here in UK, I don't really see a lot of bidet inside their toilets, so we decided to put it here, which is really convenient. It's very useful. And yeah, this is our radiator, heated radiator, where you can hang your towel after you shower. And on my right side is our bathroom, is the bath. So as you can see in the first video, guys, it's a really tight bathroom, but we managed to put this bath here and shower. Yeah, and also we customized the space. We decided to put this thing here where you can put all your shampoos and everything. I like it. And this is what I love here. Got my small plants in here, but I tell you guys, it's not a real plant, it's fake, but I totally love it. Yes, so yeah, that's our bathroom, and I really love this bathroom so much. So here's side-by-side pictorial comparison of how it looked before and how it looked after the renovation. I got my mixer tap sorted. The difference is unbelievable. You don't have to worry about getting your hands scalded with hot water or running icy water in those cold winter mornings. The tap is high above the wash basin, so you have plenty of space to wash your hands. And look at those lovely mirrors. They surely give the space a different feel of luxury. And you can see the cabin storage is sufficient for all my toiletries. I got a candlelight holder at the top of the mirror too, just for those lovely evenings when I feel like a scented candle in the bathroom. So looking straight into the bathroom, the radiator heater is right in front of you and near the toilet seat as well. It's very warm for those early morning business. So nice decor at the windowsill, and this is a totally transformed the bathroom. The air vent is new and the towel holder and tissue roll are at the handy location. And next is the toilet. Actually, we built the toilet stand of the toilet into the wall so it's well tucked away. Although it can be partially accessed via the flusher, but I know you will agree that this gives a very simplistic design and make this place airy. Yeah, so I got my shower bidet, very handy and cleaning, very handy for cleaning yourself. Actually, I think the space we have here is very limited, but somehow we managed to fit all this equipment into this corner. You may have noticed here that we also get rid of the wooden box that was hiding the toilet pipe and we moved the toilet to the left. We couldn't totally hide the toilet, but at least it's not directly in front of you anymore when you enter the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom and the shower. That smell was unbearable with the old bathtub. That's gone now. This sturdy bathtub with handles and nice shower glass is well positioned to take all the stress from long hard day of work. We even fitted a mixer pressure shower head. As you may have noticed, the previous one had no shower head. We didn't use tiles around the bathtub and shower area. Instead, these walls are shower panels. They are very sleek and we selected them to match tiles. And you know guys, the advantage of this over the tiles is they wouldn't crack and allow mold to form behind the wall. They are also easier to clean, you know. The tiles compared to the tiles that wouldn't keep the dirt. I think it's better solution than tiles around the shower area, but I think some of you might disagree. Yeah, so that's our newly renovated bathroom. I'm quite pleased with the job. We did most of the planning and just told the builders that we want what we want, and they got to fit the items. But you need to keep a close eye on them. Otherwise, they wouldn't do a good job. You know. We pick all the items according to our taste. The tile design, it's porcelain. Yeah, it looks like Italian marble though. And you definitely want the moisture resistant tiles in your bathroom, right? So overall, I'm really pleased with the finished job. We have been using this for a few months now, and I can say everything is holding up just there. Yeah, so alright guys, rounding up now my new bathroom. If you will be doing a project like this and need some tips, just hit me up. And maybe you already did something like this, so please comment below and let me know what I could have done to make it even better. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video when I'll be showing other areas of the house I have renovated as well. Bye bye.